Lift ticket prices are rising all around the world, specifically in the US and Canada. So if you're a beginner like me, it can be a costly endeavor to start learning how to ski or snowboard. While I've been on a snowboard a handful of times, I'm still a major liability on the hill. One of the main reasons we came to Georgia, actually, is because their resorts boast some of the cheapest lift tickets in Europe, which means I don't have to spend an arm and a leg to break one. So we're here in the resort town of Bakuriani, and all that's left to do is get suited up.
We got our rental stuff at Intersport. It's called Intersport on the map, and then when you get there, it's called Wintersport. If you're looking to rent quality stuff, I highly recommend them. When you put your boot on, but you step in over top of the strap that needs to be in front. I am super stoked to be here.
Yeah, I'm stoked. I'm a little nervous, but Evan's gonna be patient and teach me. Hopefully. It's 12:30, and it's taken us enough time to get here and get all set up that it's lunchtime. So we're just gonna have a quick bite. Evan's gonna struggle into the GoPro chest mount, and then we'll be hitting the slopes. Whoa. There was a kid over there that I wanted to fall in a hole.
You know what's the best part about today? It's a Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
What's confidence level at?
Out of 5 or out of 10?
Out of 22.
I don't know what math is at that high. I'd say I'm about a 70%.
That's pretty good.
I don't want to go in guns a-blazing.
No, you gotta be cautiously optimistic.
Just the first step, I don't want to fall off the chairlift.
Me neither. Happens to me sometimes too.
Does it?
We got 3 days worth of passes.
Ooh, each or?
No, just for me.
Okay. What is it, like a card or? Oh, one of those, like
you
an
know,
RFID.
like an RFID thing, yeah, and I think it probably opens a gate.
Sick. Alrighty. Let's hit the slopes there, bud.
Let's rip, I'm so jacked.
But before we could do any ripping, Ashley would have to conquer the most perilous and potentially humiliating obstacle for any beginner. Don't fall getting on and off the chairlift.
Oh, we're going what? I didn't want to go up to the very top. It's up so high. There's another part, right?
We haven't even strapped both feet in yet.
It just takes so much effort to get from the chairlift here on one leg. Should I just go down this?
What do you mean? This is the only... There isn't another one. I'll go ahead just a little bit, and I'll stop, and then I'll have you do the same thing. I'm gonna stop on my heel edge. Okay. Don't hit me. So, from starting that way, this is the hardest way to stand on a snowboard. It kills your toes and just kills everything.
Literally kills.
Yeah, it actually does kill. I want to go that way, so I'm just going to turn my shoulders that way.
Ashley's first few moments on the board didn't exactly inspire confidence, and it seemed like it was going to be a very long day. But then, something changed.
Looking right.
She was maneuvering down the hill with something that vaguely resembled poise and grace.
Yeah. Okay, I want to see you go a little bit faster and stop harder on your heels. There.
It was as if for a moment she had forgotten all others around her and set aside her self-doubt.
I'm honestly so impressed.
Yeah? To be honest with you, I'm pretty stoked with how well I'm doing.
Nice job. That's the most important part, is do you feel cool? Because that's the whole idea behind snowboarding.
Snowboarding is only meant to look and try to be cool. I just fell 4 times because I'm moving out of the caution zone.
No, this is not for you. I know we're friends. I thought this was gonna be our first video in a long time that didn't have animals, but I should have known better.
It's Georgia. There are stray dogs everywhere.
Yeah.
Good boys keeping watch.
Anywhere there's people, there's dogs.
I think I'm using too much energy to switch edges because I'm like whipping and then whipping. We only did 3 runs and my legs are spent. I think now we'll just probably enjoy our wine. Maybe get up for another run. I don't even know what time it is actually.
Yeah.
Day 2. What's the vibe?
It's the sickest day ever. Just bluebird, my dude. And we're gonna teach Ashley how to catch some air today.
What?
Now, the goal at the end of this is to be able to get Ashley to hit a jump. Doesn't matter how big. Catching some air.
Yeah. Intentional air.
Can't remember if we said what we're driving. I think it's a 2014 or 15 Subaru Forester, which must be said with an Australian accent. That is the rule. It's red, and his name is Patrick. I didn't name him. That's the name he came with.
This is what parking looks like here. There's not really a specific parking lot. You just have to kind of park along the side of the road, and then it's just a short 2-minute walk down to the lift. Hell yeah, brother. Sorry, I should quit calling you brother because that brings some weird implications to our relationship.
It's just like a pro wrestler thing, you know?
Hell yeah, brother. Hulkamania's coming to your town, brother.
Do I need both layers? It's a bit of a gamble because I'm gonna have to commit to having both with me.
No, we can come back.
It's just a big to-do.
It's just a short 2-minute walk down to the lift.
Have you got a camera set up?
It's right there.
Oh, g'day.
Hello.
Sorry, I'm still Australian from saying the name of the vehicle, you know?
Subaru Forester.
The boots aren't that cold for being in the car all night.
Yeah, I was worried about it until I saw the forecast today and saw that it was supposed to be like +4 degrees, and then I'm more worried about being too hot. I'm rocking shorts on underneath the snow pants. That's how hot it's gonna be today.
This video is going to quickly pivot from us snowboarding in Georgia to just being a platform for how much I don't like general children. They were standing so spread out that I couldn't get on that chairlift. I had to step out of the way because there wasn't enough space. Teach your kids to get in fucking line properly. I know the kids don't know better because someone's teaching them that.
The tickets are cheap because you have to make your way through a barrage of children that don't know where they are. So Ashley's feeling like she needs maybe just a bit of space and time to feel comfortable on the board. So I'm going selfie mode for this run. Try and do some barrel rolls and some misty 540 stroop waffles. A little sketchy. You okay?
I'm lacking confidence and energy today. I've just been catching edges, and then when I get up to go again, there's someone like immediately next to me, and then I freak out because I don't know how to control myself around them. And then I just fall again. So that's how I'm feeling. But don't feel bad about being a beginner. Everyone starts somewhere. Of course I'm not an expert. I'll fall, I just gotta get up again. And make sure I don't get clipped by a snowmobile. On the first run, it can be really rough to start out your day when you're learning, just by thwack, thwack, thwack. It's like getting hit in the face. It's hard to get back up again and continue the fight. Not complaining, I'm just explaining how I'm feeling.
Okay, what I want to kind of try to teach Ashley today is to sort of lean more into turns with your upper body as opposed to turning your whole body at once. She's doing a lot of overcorrecting when it comes to switching heel to toe. I think that will kind of help to mitigate that.
Way better.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was
Nice.
using your arm movement technique. I think that's what I was trying to accomplish when I was throwing my body around.
Yeah.
But I didn't realize I didn't need to use that much energy. Did I fall? No, I didn't fall. Well, do you want to go up for another? Do you want to have lunch? What do you...
I think we should do lunch, yeah.
Cool.
Are we going to get our sandwiches?
I feel like it's smart for one person to stay here with everything, because otherwise we have to take our boards with us. We'll get tired.
Who wants to do it? Rock, paper, scissors?
No,
People love rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. Paper, scissors. Paper, scissors. Paper, scissors. Damn it. So you won. You won the opportunity to go to the car. Kidding. I'll go.
There's my good friend again. How did I know he'd still be here? Yeah, good boy. You don't have to get up.
We decided to treat ourselves for lunch. We did bring our sandwiches, which is good, but we also got some fries. Gotta have your glint line to get your liquid courage, and a beer.
So what do you feel like you need to work on the most before being able to be airborne?
Probably picking up speed and going sideways, like going nose down. But then again, I don't want to go too fast. Did I really hit a jump if I didn't land it?
I think so.
Okay, thank you.
No one said you had to land it.
Oh, okay.
You just have to be airborne.
This is a totally different video then. Let's get back on the chair.
Let's check in with Ashley and let's check the technique. Look at that, that's speedy. Wow. I could definitely see improvement on that run.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I just went out there with my board and, I just knew I had to throw down and I tried to go as big as I could and, I think I'm pretty happy with the score I came home with. But yeah, I felt a lot more confident. The arms.
Yeah.
It's like you're doing the twist out there. That's all it is. Why did no one tell me that? Not a single human until now. That's great. Love, peace, and chicken grease. See you tomorrow.
But there would be no tomorrow. At least, not one that had snowboarding in it. As it turns out, 3 straight days of riding is a lot for 2 people in their 30s. Our bodies had failed us, and Ashley's dream of getting totally sick hang time had remained just that. A dream. But it doesn't have to always be that way. You see, this operation does run on hopes and dreams. And by just clicking the like and subscribe buttons below, you can give us that. So please, do your part, so we don't have to live in a world where this one will never get to experience the pure elation of absolutely sending it to the stratosphere.